Hi, welcome to MarineMax Maryland. Today I'd like to take you through a 2024 Sea Ray 370 Sundancer outboard. Just put her in the water about 3 days ago, and it'll be my pleasure to show you this boat. Starting back here on the stern, we have twin V12 600 horse Mercury Verados. 1,200 horses back here. They don't eat hay, but they do like gas. The power is phenomenal, maneuverability and handling. This boat at wide open throttle will do about 61 miles an hour, which is just a tremendous amount for a 37-foot boat. Across the swim platform we have sea deck, and the sea deck throughout the boat. Back here we have a nice swim ladder over here, so for your water sports you come right up on the swim ladder. And once you come onto deck here, if you optionally, you can take over here is a little handheld shower, and that is for hot and cold showering. So it's everything's all top shelf here on this boat. Shore power hookups over here. All your breakers and everything are in there for your shore power. Got a nice big large compartment over here for fenders and lines and gear. And last but not least, back here, let's say you've got some platform, some folks swimming off the water, off the back of the boat, and you want to check them out, you can go ahead and just take this seat, which is currently sitting forward, facing forward in the cockpit, and just drop this down with this lever I just pulled over here. Drop that down. Now you've got a nice flat lounger here. You can lay out, enjoy yourself. Alternatively, if you want to sit down and face aft, watch the kids that are swimming back there, just grab this handle, pull that up, and there we go. And now you've converted it to an aft-facing seat. You want to flip it back, real quick and easy. Really nice mechanical, very heavy-duty gear on here. Very easy to manipulate. That's right back to forward-facing. So here in the cockpit, like to stay out of the sun. Some folks like the sun. I like to stay out of the sun. So right above here, we have the shore shade extended. So it actually goes out well past the swim platform, almost all the way to the motors. So if you do want to stay out of the sun, you got this tremendous shade that's provided by that shore shade. Going through the rest of the cockpit, first of all, Sea Ray, they are renowned for cup holders. You can't swing a cat around here without hitting about 3 cup holders. So there's cup holders galore, and that's really convenient for when you're entertaining, you have guests on board. We have the stone interior here. There's storage underneath all these seats. It's just really easy to get to. Nice deep, easy storage under all the seats. On the starboard side here, there's a gorgeous teak table, which sits right here. And there's 2 tables in the cockpit. One is this starboard side table. Coming on around, we've got a flat screen TV, which sits right here for your cockpit entertainment. And it plugs into a little outlet right back over here for digital signal off of your high definition rooftop antenna on the top there. The TV stores in the cockpit. As a matter of fact, there's a total of 3 flat screen TVs on board the boat. This cockpit is air conditioned. It got some AC vents here. Coming across here into your galley area, we got a nice sink over here. Gorgeous Corian countertop with a nice wet bar type sink right here. Notice the cup holders. Got to have those cup holders. Plenty of storage here. Got a little pull away trash can. Just a little cutlery drawer here. You've got your electric grill, which works off of your Westerbeek gasoline generator on board, or if you're hooked up to shore power. And down here you've got your drawer refrigerator with a freezer little compartment up top as well. Continuing on around, you might see in the film some of the ambient lighting underneath the seats, and that's throughout the boat. It's a really neat feature, and it kind of really creates this really cool ambiance. So we also have a lot of protection throughout the cockpit, not only just because of the shore shade back there, but this expansive hardtop up here. So the hardtop on this boat, you see here, we have a really kind of cool design, fixed glass kind of sunroof over here, and it's heavily tinted to protect you from the sun's rays. it's really nice. But then just forward across, just past this beam, now we have what looks equivalently the same, but this is an opening sunroof here, electrically operated, and this will open up if you want to be outside in the elements. This boat is specially optioned with the coupe option. The 370 Sundancer comes standard with a full front windshield, but the side glass here, the coupe option is it's full glass all the way to the top. And it's, again, superior protection in here, especially with the reverse cycle air conditioning and heat here in the cockpit to keep everything cool within the cockpit. I should also point out that around the stern there is isinglass and canvas panels, so you can enclose the entire cockpit as well, optionally, however you like. Got a co-pilot seat over here. It's actually a partner seat. Standard on boats, you got your bolster here. You can sit low or you can sit high. You do have a flip-up footrest down here too, if you want to set your feet down there. Of course, cup holders. And throughout the boat, there's USB charging, USB-A and USB-C outlets, so they're upgraded to the latest modern fittings. Here's the command center. This is where all the action occurs on the boat. So you've got your twin partner seat here again with the bolster. You've got your Simrad VHF radio. You've got a remote control for your dual Simrad displays. You've got your auto glide trim tabs, your Mercury JPO joystick, twin throttle controls for those massive V12 600s back there. Running across, you've got your twin Simrad displays here. Great for situational awareness, of course, all your navigation, all your engine information, depth, speed, depth sounder, sonar, fish finder. This is great. You can control the entire boat on here through this screen. All the different lights, pumps, switches, everything throughout the boat gets controlled from the screen, which is pretty spectacular. The AC vents here on the helm. I mentioned the cockpit was air conditioned. You notice that the cup holders here, they got LED lights in there too to help you keep track of where your drinks are at night. And here is your floodlight, spotlight up on the bow and remotely operated. And then your standard switching across here. Not last but not least, of course, you have your Bluetooth, Sirius XM ready, stereo here, and it's Wi-Fi capable as well. Gorgeous, gorgeous helm. Your visibility here is spectacular. I mean, there's so much glass and so much protection. It's really, really nice to have for all of your, if you're entertaining, you have a lot of people on board, and it's kind of good for year-round type entertainment. So I mentioned the TV that goes over there in the cockpit for your entertainment. I said it was stored up here. Well, let me just show you where it is. It's just a special storage location for the TV. Of course, still factory wrap right there, but there's the big flat panel TV for you. So let's go ahead and go up to the bow seating area here. So you've got a windbreak door. I have the windbreak door open right now, but this massive looking, many hundreds of pound window just pops wide open and just articulates down. It's got dual gas assist shocks, and it's just quick and easy to open that up like that. And let's go ahead and walk up forward. So you got a great seating area up here. Another a teak bow table sits right in here, which is quite nice. You've got your loungers up here, so you got 3-person loungers. Of course, you got your armrests here, which is great. So it provides a little bit of separation. I mentioned the cup holders. You got your USB chargers up here. You have a separate stereo zone up here, which is great. There's a spotlight I was talking about. And of course, the business end on the bow of the boat, you've got your anchor and windlass in there as well. Another neat feature over here is this sub-recliner. So of course, it's a lounger right now. That's great and very comfortable and everything. But we just go ahead and take this, and we're going to pull this up here, and now let's pop this down here. And now you got even shorter seating here. So you can have the deep lounger or a shallow lounger, which is pretty cool. Again, lots of versatility on this boat. So coming down from the cockpit, you've got your gorgeous stairs there. And to port over here, you have a galley, so a little bit of storage cabinets there. Of course, your lighting controls. You've got a great a second sink, because remember there's one sink in the cockpit. You got a sink down here, down below. Some storage. You got your microwave. Got a door fridge. There was a drawer up top, a door fridge here, and of course a little freezer compartment. So that's the second fridge. A little more storage. Gorgeous, gorgeous interior. That is a electrically convertible king, or maybe a boat size queen. and it just converts up electrically into a flat bunk. You've got your TV over here for this sleeping area and also a lounging area. Notice the portholes and the lighting all the way around here, so you're always feeling like you're on the outside while you're on the inside of the boat. You got over here is your business end for all of your controls, your generator and AC panel right there, and your engine controls there. You got a nice hanging locker over here. A lot, just everything's been thought out really well here on this boat with utilizing storage space. Over here is your dry head, which is nice on a 37-foot boat. So you've got the dry head, meaning, of course, it's a separate shower stall right there with the glass door. Beautiful, airy, light, clean head with the vacuum flush right there. Just really, really nice. Wonderful features and fitment on there. Notice the tile floor. It's just beautiful. Really, really nice. Back aft. Right now it's set up to be your living room space. There's a flip-up flat panel TV under that panel right there. Right now it's set up as your living room space. So you got your ottoman right there. Seating all around. You got some mirror and some side ports as well. And then this converts to another queen bunk. The ottoman comes out, the filler goes in, and so you have two sleeping areas, the forward electric convertible and then this one, which is manually convertible to a bunk. So just a tremendous, beautiful interior, nice and cool in here, nice air conditioning's running, stereo throughout. You've got a nice little skylight up here as well. So even with all the lights off in here, you get a lot of daylight in here, so you never feel cooped inside this boat. And again, more light trim, and you got your speakers up there. Really, really nice. Well, thanks for going through this 2024 Sea Ray 370 Sundancer Outboard with me today. I just want to say that this boat is it's a special treat. It's really great for family outings, recreation. You can very easily weekend on this boat, or even spend a little bit longer on this boat as well, than even longer than a weekend, because it has so much space for storage and livability on the boat. Also, if you have family members or friends who may be prone to a little bit of seasickness, one of the really nice options on this boat is a Seakeeper, which is a gyro stabilizer that's on the boat. It's a very, very nice option to have on here. So you've got your twin V12 600s on the back, you've got your Seakeeper, you've got the radar up on the arch up there, you have your coupe enclosure with all that glass around the cockpit. A really, really special package the way this boat is optioned up, and it's a really special boat, and I look forward to y'all coming down here to take a look at her and seeing all about this 2024 Sea Ray 370 Sundancer Outboard. Thank you.